we have our second example panapa. Example yedu iri kuti simplify 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3 over the square root of 45 times the square root of 21. What we have to do always kana chidila maths is to simplify them to their lowest possible form, kana kuti simplify to their simplest form. Saka tikatarisa pa numerator pedu, we have 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3. We cannot simplify any further. Why is it so? Because 7 and 3 are prime numbers. Atina manamba mairi ano multiplier achitipa 7 na 3 respectively, one of which manamba yao iri a perfect square. Saka taona kuti pamsoro pe our fraction we cannot simplify any further. What then we are going to do is we look at the denominator. We have the square root of 45. We also have the square root of 21. Saka zvepasi zvinoshandika nazvo. So here we are going to have 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3 over, instead of 45 it becomes what? 9 times 5. 9 is a perfect square. 30 times, instead of 21 it becomes what? Let us do a little brainstorming here. Do we have any two numbers which we multiply to give us 21, of which one of them is a perfect square? Hatina. And the reason why it is sina is simply because the factors of 21, we are going to have 1, we are going to have 7, and we are going to have, actually we have 1, we are also going to have 3, 7, and 21. Tisingaverengi 1, 3 inoi a prime number, 7 a prime number foot. So here we only have, instead of writing the square root of 21, tichanyora the square root of 3 times 7. Kunyangwe zvino izvi zvisinga simplify into any other form. Kubatsira kwazvinoita ndekwekuti tatarisa pa numerator pedu tikuona the square root of 7 and the square root of 3. Saka it's wiser to simplify 21 as 3 times 7 because zviri kumecha nhu zviri pachi pamusoro. So ndo zvataitira inoi the square root of 21. Then the square root of 45, we are just simplifying it. So what is this going to be equal to? This is equal to, we say 5 the square root of 7 times 2 the square root of 3 over, here we have 3 the square root of 5 times, we have the square root of 3 times the square root of 7, like this. Tadaro manje, the square root of 3 inogona kunocheka kunoku kana tine matimes atinawo. Then the square root of 7 inogona kunocheka panapa. Kurevei? Kureva kuti we now have a situation where it's 5 times 2 ndiani the 10 over, since zvachekana 3 the square root of 5. But hatigoni kusiya answer yedu yakadai so. Why tisingagoni kuisiya yakadaro? We have to rationalize. Hatitenderwi mumutemo wemasvomo kuti tisiye our denominator ine a irrational number. Saka rationalizing, as we did it in our previous classes, is just multiplying both numerator and denominator by the square root of 5 in this case. Saka panapa we are going to have what? We are going to have 10 the square root of 5 over 3 multiplying what? 5. Because the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is equal to 5. We proved in our previous lesson why it is so. Takatarisa ma laws of indices. Then panapa pachanetsi because 5 into 5 ndi 1, 5 into 10 ndi 2. Kurota our final answer is going to be 2 the square root of 5 over 3. Tenge tatopedza. What is the trick? What is the most important thing pa question yedu? The most important thing panapa is this ability to simplify the surds. Then of course we should not forget panapa we have to do what? To rationalize.